Today, we're going to unveil a game-changing secret on how to swiftly banish your skin tags and warts, sometimes even overnight. Now, results may vary. In some instances, complete eradication might take up to 2 weeks. But rest assured, each day will bring visible improvements as these skin blemishes start to fade away. Eliminating skin tags is incredibly straightforward, requiring only a simple blend of 2 ingredients. However, the real magic lies in understanding the why behind these skin anomalies. After all, skin tags and warts are not random, they're your body's way of signaling that there's something deeper you need to address. So, in this transformative guide, we're not just offering a quick fix, we're delving into the root causes. We aim to empower you with the knowledge to not only obliterate these skin issues but to ensure they never resurface, as they often point to other underlying health issues that you'll want to nip in the bud. So what do we know so far? Let's get into it. What exactly are skin tags and warts? These are essentially clusters of cells that proliferate in a localized manner, technically known as an anabolic response. Think of it like a benign tumor, harmless, but still a growth. Unlike malignant tumors associated with cancer, benign tumors are localized and don't spread uncontrollably throughout the body. Typically, these skin tags tend to crop up in skin folds such as the neck and armpits, but don't be surprised to find them in other locations, ranging from your mouth and esophagus to more private areas. Intriguingly, there's a strong correlation between skin tags, warts, and HPV, the human papillomavirus. It's worth noting that HPV isn't a singular virus, it's a family of over 130 different strains, each contributing to different conditions. Now, let's tackle the gender divide. Ever wondered why skin tags are more prevalent among women? The answer may lie in hormonal differences, particularly the higher levels of estrogen in women. So, what does this mean for you? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the nitty-gritty, unraveling not just the what but the why behind these skin anomalies. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to tackle these issues at their root, rather than just treating the symptoms. The plot thickens when we examine the hormonal factors at play, especially estrogen. If you've ever wondered why women tend to develop more skin tags during pregnancy, you're on the right track. Estrogen is an anabolic hormone that promotes cell growth, and pregnancy is a time when estrogen levels soar. Moreover, excess body fat also contributes to elevated estrogen levels, so both men and women with higher body fat percentages are at greater risk. But estrogen isn't just about skin tags, it's a key player in the HPV narrative as well. Higher estrogen levels are linked to an increased risk of contracting HPV and even HPV-related cancers. The estrogen factor is just the tip of the iceberg. It turns out, conditions like diabetes, obesity, and polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, are also strongly linked to the occurrence of skin tags. What's the common thread here? High levels of insulin and, more crucially, insulin resistance. In a compelling study of 98 individuals with skin tags, a staggering majority showed signs of insulin resistance, as per the HOMA-IR test. I'll link the study below for those who'd like to dive deeper. So, the story of skin tags isn't merely superficial, it's intertwined with complex hormonal and metabolic issues. Far from being just an aesthetic concern, these skin growths can be vital signposts, pointing to more pressing underlying health conditions. It's crucial to tackle these root causes for long-term resolution, rather than merely removing the tags themselves. Stay tuned as we reveal how to do just that. The relationship between skin tags and other health conditions grows even more compelling as we delve into the subject of insulin resistance. High triglycerides and obesity are also closely linked with the occurrence of skin tags, and guess what? They too are rooted in insulin resistance. Let's break it down a bit further. Insulin resistance is a condition where the body produces an excess of insulin to compensate for cells' decreased sensitivity to it. Normally, insulin plays a pivotal role in energy production by facilitating processes in the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. When insulin resistance occurs, this process becomes inefficient, leading to a vicious cycle. More insulin gets produced, but it fails to adequately interact with the mitochondria. And here's where it gets really interesting. Mitochondrial dysfunction is central not just to benign tumors like skin tags, but also to more severe conditions like cancer. I believe this mitochondrial glitch is the primary mechanism behind the formation of skin tags. So, while we're all eager to dive into quick remedies, it's essential to understand these complex underpinnings. Addressing issues at the mitochondrial level could very well be the master key to not just alleviating skin tags, but also preventing a myriad of other health issues. Stay tuned, because up next, we'll unveil that much-awaited remedy, your potential game changer for skin tags and perhaps, much more. Recognizing the intricate mechanisms behind skin tags is essential for lasting results. If insulin resistance is the underlying issue, as it often is, you need to tackle that head on. Likewise, estrogen dominance is another factor to consider. Your best bet for dealing with these root issues? A balanced ketogenic diet coupled with intermittent fasting. These lifestyle changes can help ensure that once you remove those skin tags, they don't make an unwelcome return. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the remedy itself. The recipe is astonishingly straightforward, involving just two key ingredients, iodine and garlic. What makes iodine remarkable is its twofold action. It not only inhibits HPV but also helps regulate estrogen. I recommend using a specific, less toxic form of iodine available at pharmacies called povidone iodine. It's highly soluble and is even used for treating burns. Here's what you'll need to do. Take a small container or dish and place 2 drops of povidone iodine in it. But wait, there's more to this formula. Stay tuned as we reveal the next steps in this transformative remedy. This could be the game changer you've been searching for, offering not just cosmetic relief, but potentially addressing deeper health issues as well. Here's how to bring this simple, yet potent, remedy to life. Add a couple of drops of fresh, crushed garlic to the 2 drops of povidone iodine you've placed in your small container. Stir the mixture thoroughly, and then use a cotton swab to apply it directly onto the skin tag or wart. Cover the area with a band-aid or tape to keep the mixture in place. Repeat this application twice a day. While iodine has a longer shelf life, garlic doesn't, so it's best to store this mixture in the refrigerator. That's because garlic contains a powerful phytonutrient called allicin, which is most effective when fresh. Allicin has some pretty remarkable properties. It's anti-cancer and antiviral, to name a few. Now, what can you expect in terms of results? You're likely to notice a significant reduction in the size of your skin tag even after just 1 day of application. How quickly the skin tag disappears depends on the extent of your underlying insulin resistance. For some, it might take up to 2 weeks, but you should observe gradual improvement over time. Each day, I recommend discarding the mixture you've used and preparing a fresh batch for optimal efficacy. So there you have it, the dual-action formula that may not only help you banish unsightly skin tags but also combat underlying health issues. While the topical remedy works wonders, remember, the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting are your go-to lifestyle changes for attacking the root cause. Together, this 3-pronged approach may offer a lasting solution to not only skin tags but a host of other health challenges as well. For continued potency, it's crucial to make a fresh mixture each day. Keep your garlic as fresh as possible by crushing new pieces daily. This simple routine can make a world of difference in effectiveness. The mixture can be applied topically with a cotton swab, and you can seal it with a band-aid or piece of tape. You may need to continue this process for up to 2 weeks, depending on your individual situation. If you find that the iodine and garlic concoction isn't giving you the results you were hoping for, or if you see no change within a week, you have other options. One alternative is salicylic acid, which is readily available at drugstores in the form of patches. Alternate remedies for consideration. Salicylic acid, available in over-the-counter patches, it's a tried and true treatment for warts. Zinc oxide, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, zinc oxide can also be effective in treating skin tags. Apple cider vinegar, a household staple that some swear by for removing skin tags and warts. Oregano oil, with its antiviral properties, oregano oil can also be an effective alternative. Remember, the type of remedy may vary depending on whether you're dealing with a skin tag or a wart, which is also caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV. You may find that one treatment works better for skin tags and another for warts. In summary, it's not just about getting rid of the symptom. By understanding the root cause, whether it's insulin resistance or estrogen dominance, and making lifestyle changes like adopting a ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting, you set yourself up for long-term success. Combine this with a potent topical remedy, and you're on your way to not only clearer skin but better overall health. So there you have it, a plethora of remedies that offer you not just quick fixes but also delve into treating the root cause. If you find that iodine and garlic aren't quite doing the trick, don't fret. You have a variety of backup options. Salicylic acid, available in the form of patches or even crushed aspirin, you can apply it topically and secure it with a band-aid or tape. Celandine, this ancient plant is especially potent against viruses. If you can find it fresh, even better. Simply apply the oozing fluid from one of its stems directly onto the affected area and cover it with a band-aid or tape. The overarching point of this video isn't just to give you a quick remedy, it's to help you understand the underlying health issues that are causing your skin tags or warts in the first place. Ignoring the root cause is akin to snipping off the top of a weed and leaving the roots untouched, it's likely to resurface. By understanding the role of insulin resistance or estrogen imbalance in your body, you can adopt lifestyle changes such as the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting, which aim to resolve the core issue. Paired with the right topical treatment, this multifaceted approach promises not just a symptom-free life but a healthier you.